Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So let's discuss something about breastfeeding. Like, it had been long I've stopped. eh, It had been long that I did something about breastfeeding, and I want to say one or two things about this breastfeeding of a thing. To breastfeed a child and be working at the same time is difficult. Like, it's very, very difficult because sometimes, especially when you have a newborn, when you newly give birth and you have to return to work maybe within a month or 2 months. You have to go back to work depending on the type of work they are doing. So if it happens that they gave you only 2 months or 1 month break for you to rest after giving birth, if it happens that they gave you maybe 2 months or 1 month break to stay at home after giving birth, you know when you resume the work, you find it a bit difficult to breastfeed the baby. I don't know whether you understand what I mean, because assuming it's the baby that love eating, or if you are into exclusive breastfeeding, you know that you find it difficult to continue that your exclusive breastfeeding because you are not what around. But if you are around, you continue breastfeeding your baby steady. I don't know whether you are understanding where I'm going. So for you to for you to continue with the exclusive breastfeeding, that is for you to continue with your exclusive breastfeeding without you being around, that is when you go inside the market and get your breast pump. Yes, you get breast pump, extract the water, bring out the water from your breast milk. I don't know whether you understand. Let me bring it. Next thing to do is get a breast pump, extract the breast milk from your breast and put it inside the breast pump. Then preserve it in your fridge. I cannot say freezer because if you put it inside freezer it might block. Do you understand what I mean? So you have to put it inside fridge where it will cool. Then when you put it inside your fridge, it will cool, it will not spoil, and it will stay for some days. So the breast milk will stay inside the fridge for some months. I'm sorry, for some few hours. So it will be inside the fridge for some hours before it will spoil. You understand? At this process, this moment, you do what? You breastfeed the baby throughout that hours that you're not going to be around. That is, you give it to anybody, bring it nanny or your mom, whatever, whoever that is helping you for that moment to take care of the baby. You're going to drop the breast milk with the person. Then once the baby start crying, the person will give the baby breast milk instead of you breastfeeding the baby what straight. Do you understand what I mean? So when you get the breast milk, extract the milk and give baby. And you that is working, when you're working, you'll be able to concentrate to do whatever you are doing, because you know that whether you come back on time or earlier, your baby will surely take the breast milk. The exclusive breastfeeding will continue. Like, when I get back to my last, this my baby boy, I do use that breast extractor. I'll just use it to bring out the breast milk, then drop it. When my baby is hungry, he will eat. He will take the breast milk, and I complete the 6 months breast milk before introducing any other food. You will not even believe that I used exclusive breastfeed. You will not even believe that he's he's still doing the exclusive. I'm still carrying out the exclusive breastfeeding because I normally extract the breast milk. I normally bring out the breast milk with the process of that breast pump. Then when I bring it out, I will drop it for him to eat, and I keep on going for my work. Do you understand? Yes. And for some women that do have some women that their breast milk normally come out in a with a full force, you can still make use of the breast pump. Just use it to fill the water bottle, keep it inside the feeding bottle. use it to drop it inside your fridge, and when the baby feel like eating, then you give your baby the breast milk. It's still the same thing than to leave it there to be wasting, or to be staining your clothes or your bra. So that is the importance of this breast pump. Sorry, that is the importance of the breast pump. There's not only people that is working, both people that is working and people that are not working, people that are having high flow of breast milk can still use it. Extract the breast milk, keep it for your baby. Once the baby is hungry, you feed him instead of staining your clothes or staining your breast, or you smelling like a person that is giving baby breast milk. Use it. So that is it. There is no much deal there. Today is 29th and I want to go out with my children. I don't know if I can carry you guys around because everywhere will be noisy and crowded. So I don't want I don't want to lose my phone at the process of going out. So I'm going to go alone. Then if I come back, I can still update you guys. Do you understand? You know, when you are going out with children like this, it's not that easy, because you'll be taking care of the children at the road and also protecting your bag and things that you're going along with. So that is why I said I'm not going to carry you guys along, but I'm going to update you guys. And if I have any chance to film, to capture one or two things, I'm still going to show you guys, of course. What am I here for? I'm here to entertain you guys, okay? And if I have any updates you are going to concerning filming a video, if you have any topic that you want me to treat, please, I want to see it at the comment section there. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so. I want to go and bath, and my children are here disturbing me. They're here. Should I show you? Or should I leave it? I don't want YouTube trouble. I don't want any situation that will tell me that I'm showing children's face. So let's obey their policy, okay? So subscribe if you haven't done so, okay? It is a beautiful Sunday. Did you go to church? It's a beautiful Sunday. Beautiful Sunday. Did you go to church?
Yes.
Did you go to church?
Yes.
Please make sure you go to church. Sunday is meant for God.
Okay.
Only God alone. Make sure you go to church. Go and serve your God. Like, go and worship Him. Thank Him for the life He gave to you. Thank Him for everything that He did for you. At least, if you don't have any other thing that will make you to appreciate God, just for the life that you have, okay? For making it possible for you to be alive from January to December. It's not easy. It's not more for someone to be alive from January to December. Pass through up and down. For you to pass through all the up and down, you know, you have to give thanks to God. My baby boy don't want me to discuss what I'm. For someone to pass through the up and down, all the whole challenges, life challenges, and also survive, you know, it's not by our power, it's not by our might. Some people have accidents this year, but they succeed. Some people fall sick, but they succeed. Some people have accidents and die straight on their head, while some people succeed. Some people fall sick, some make it, some did not make it. So it's not easy. It's worth going to church to thank God. All this that I mentioned is enough to give thanks to God, okay? So go to church. Even if you're not a Christian, if you know whatever you believe on, just give that thing respect. Give that God respect, because He deserves it, okay? Yes. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, okay? Give me a thumbs up. I don't know why you don't like giving me thumbs. Give me thumbs up. I need it.
Okay.
Good. My baby boy. Give me a thumbs up. I need it. Okay?
Okay.
It's Christmas season. It's a season of giving people gifts. If you have not, wow. It's Christmas season. It's a season of love. Give to people. If you see anybody that is in need, help the person. It's season of love. It's not only meant for spending. Christmas is a season of love. Spend, gift people with gifts, okay? You can also give me the gift by doing what? By watching my video and to subscribe. That is the only gift you have to give me. Do you understand? That is the only gift you have to give me. I've not used super chat. I foresee you to super chat me. I love you. Oh,